This na the Tecno Pova 5G when Tecno recently launched, but this will not be the regular Tecno phone when you already know. For one thing, Tecno they try push things go front with their phones by adding many features during their phone. And they talk about the fact that this one is the first Tecno 5G phone ever, and the fact that this phone they use the Dimensity 900 processor. And also the battery capacity of this phone na big 6000 mAh battery. And where for even this sweet pass now the fact say the price of the phone now 157,000 naira. Now if you compare them with last year's flagship, which is Tecno Camon 18 Premier, that phone sell for 180,000 naira, but it not get 5G browsing capacity, and the battery capacity of that phone now 4,750. So this phone coming at 157,000 naira, now super good deal. Welcome to Megalite Unboxing, and if now your first time here be this, welcome. Well, yeah, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like this video, and also tell me what you think about this phone for the comment section for bottom. For this video, I go unbox the Pova 5G, I go review the body, and then I go talk about the performance, I go talk about the display, I go talk about the design, and I go talk about the camera. So make sure say you watch this video reach the end. As always, then we start with the unboxing, shall we? So this time, Tecno choose to use this big box, and if you slide the first box out, now the phone you go first see face down. Front of the phone carry the quick specification, and the first one here na the Dimensity 900 5G processor. I believe the reason why make Tecno put this one here first now because now the first time when Tecno phones they actually get this 5G browsing capacity and use this processor, and Tecno won't make you know. The second specification for front of the phone here now the 128 gig ROM plus the 8 gig enhanced RAM. Next, now the 6.9-inch Full HD Plus display with 120 Hz refresh rate. Then 6000 mAh big battery with 18 watt flat charge. And the last one here, now the 50 megapixel ultra clear artificial intelligence triple back camera with Super Night Mode 2.0. The box still carry this black bumper case. It not be like the one when Tecno they use for their previous phones. This one they different, and I like them. And I feel it just makes the phone look perfect. Next, now the 18 watt fast charger with extendable leg, the USB-C cable, earpiece, and finally SIM remover. If you look the body of the phone, you go think say it is rough, but really it not dey rough, it is super smooth, but it get fine grip for hand, so it not go quick slip from your hand and fall. The back side of the phone are plastic material. Even though the design no feel premium, it not bad at all, especially with the way Tecno designed the camera area. The backside carried 3 cameras, one na 50 megapixel with 2 megapixel on. The back of the phone still carry flashlight and Pova 5G branding. Volume button and power button did the right side of the phone, and nothing changed for this area except for the power button when aligned with the body of the phone, and still they very pressable. This power key carry the fingerprint scanner too. Top of the phone carry one microphone. SIM house did the right side. This SIM tray fit accommodate 2 nano SIM card with 1 memory card. Tecno use cool head design this phone, and you fit see am with the way they design the SIM tray area. I think that the first time when they use this kind of SIM tray for any of their phones ever. Plus, they kind of thief iPhone on for here. Maybe we do a little comparison for here. But I kind of like this SIM tray too. Bottom of the phone carry the speaker, USB charging port, another microphone, plus audio jack. Front of the phone come with 16 megapixel camera, proximity sensor, selfish flashlight. No, I don't mean selfish flashlight, I mean selfie flashlight. What you be think say I talk? All the edges of the phone they well rounded, but Tecno not get the design of this phone for mind. Them concentrate more on performance, even though it will cost them some few setbacks. For example, the weight of the phone are almost 218 grams. It is more than the 185 grams when be the average for most phones. Come to the display of the phone, Tecno no one joke for here. With over 90% screen to body ratio, this Pova 5G come with 6.9-inch display of 180 Hz refresh rate and touch sampling rate. So you dey get smooth display, faster screen response, and less game lagging. This screen na Full HD Plus LCD and it provides improved picture quality in ultra high resolution. So this screen they actually say bye-bye to lagging screen, delay in loading time, and any delay when they related to the screen. Though other Tecno phones get exactly the same screen features, but either their price pass this one or they not get most of the features when it be say this phone carry. My opinion on the display of this phone, 8 out of 10. And when it comes to the performance of this phone, I think Tecno don't turn into something else here because this phone they give you a maximum performance. If you open any application, it not the delay at all to open. So think of any application, Gmail, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, all of them they open sharp. I think this Dimensity 900 processor they very cool and awesome because even when I use the phone for a very long time, the phone no hot, and that one to me they very cool. This processor they deliver faster browsing network, which make online gaming they run smooth past previous processors. So you go expect stable gaming with this phone. If they browse the internet all the time, then you know say browsing and downloading, they make phone hot and then kill battery easily. But this processor actually reduce that problem by extending battery life. So if you be person when they like play online game or you they like download or you they like browse the internet, the processor actually they tell you say, go on, I get more battery life for you. So if you browse longer time, play online game longer time, or even download for a very long time, and the phone don't go hot, and you get enough extended battery when it go carry you do anything when you want to do online. As for my rating of this processor, 10 out of 10, because this one are the first time for Tecno. So the phone they run on Android 11 with HiOS version 8.0, with 128 gig ROM, Pova 5G they boost of holding up to 30,000 pictures, 23,000 musics, 300 games, and 200 videos. I no need to tell you say that one big. After all, the phone where you they use now, how many games if it install before the phone could enter? The RAM space na 8 gig, but with the memory fusion support, you fit extend them to 11 gig RAM. The battery capacity na 6000 mAh and na big one. I use this phone mildly for 3 days and I get enough battery remain. The battery no dey charge as fast as I expect, but it dey okay. So the battery no dey drain fast and the charging no dey waste much time. Now make we talk about the downside of this phone. First off, if you think say the phone no get your own downside or disadvantage, you dey on your own. My first problem with this phone na the weight. The weight na 218 gram and to me that one na a lot of weight. E heavy. Nobody won't hold phone make call for 2 minutes and hand don't start to dey pain am. My second problem here na the size of the phone. Because e big, e go hardly fit inside your pocket. Though this one fit be advantage for gamers and people wey like to watch film with their phones, but to carry am waka for road, e go cause small inconvenience. Now the only two problems with this phone so far when you fit think of might be that. Now when it comes to the pre-installed app when come with the Pova 5G, make I introduce you to 3 of them. The first one na Ella, the new personal assistant when Tecno introduced last year. What is your name?
I'm Ella, your intelligent assistant. I'll be with you night and day. Call me if I came into your mind. I'll be there.
Ella, are you married?
Sorry, I haven't geared myself up for this deep question.
You are pretty.
I don't know how to handle it. Leave me crying for a while.
You are pretty.
I'm still trying to figure this question out. Hope one day I can answer it.
The second one na the Soap Play app, but I did disappointed with this one because really no improvement to this Soap Play app. I think about 6 months after Tecno introduced this app, we don't suppose get updates to RAM, but no update here. Then the last one, now the WeZone app. This app will allow you to play some certain games when come inside the application without the use of internet connection. The last thing when I want to talk about this phone, now the camera of the phone. The phone comes with 50 megapixel camera for back when you control light, and it do so effectively. The video mode they support 4K, 1080p at 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30 frames per second, and 720p at 30 frames per second. See some of the videos from the back camera and their recording mode. Hello guys, welcome to Megalite Unboxing, and this one is the Tecno Pova 5G. I dey record with the 4K recording mode, and the back camera na 15 megapixel. Actually, we get 3 cameras for the back, one na 50 megapixel and the other one na 2 megapixel. I think this one na the 50 megapixel, and I dey use the 4K recording mode. Hello guys, welcome to Megalite Unboxing, and this one is the Tecno Pova 5G. I dey record with the back camera now, and I dey record with 1080p at 60 frames per second. If you compare with the 4K recording mode. Hello guys, welcome to Megalite Unboxing, and this one is the Tecno Pova 5G, and I dey record with the back camera of 15 megapixel. Though the back camera get 15 megapixel and 2 megapixel, and 3 cameras at the back. I dey record with the 1080p mode with 30 frames per second recording. Hello guys, welcome to Megalite Unboxing, and this one now the Tecno Pova 5G. I dey record this video with the back camera of 50 megapixel, though the back carried 3 cameras, one at 50 megapixel and another one 2 megapixel, and I dey record with the 720p mode. The normal camera mode for pictures gets the scene adjustment feature, and it makes sense. Portrait mode gets effective blur settings, just like this one when you see for the screen. Come to the night mode, and you fit see just how effective it be. The front camera comes with so many features when it be say the back camera gets. But my best point here now the blur effect of the front camera. Now we'll try them out. Hello guys, this one is the front camera of the Tecno Pova 5G, and really it get a blur effect. You feel see how it blur my background and then just focus on me. Though I'm not sure say during the course of this video if you just touch anywhere then it will change maybe before the video start. But really the front camera, the 16 megapixel camera when they the front makes sense, and I'm not sure if anybody go argue this one, because not really easy to see phone when get this kind of blur effect for front of phone. The camera of the phone and virtually everything about the phone are value for money. So over 5G front camera. So guys, now everything about the phone now be this. If you ask me for my own opinion, I think the price of the phone good when you compare with the features when it be say it carry. Go to the comment section for bottom to tell me what you think about the price of this phone, or what you think about the phone in general. This phone will take you to Pova new unboxing and review, while this one will take you to Camon 18i unboxing and review video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case you never already subscribed, and see you for my next video.